Hi, Les with Metcalf Plumbing. We're doing a giveaway, a free giveaway for one of these. This is a water heater. Um, Coming soon on our website. You'll be able to go on our website and register your current water heater. You want to take a picture of the rating plate, which shows the model number and serial number. You want to send that to us, plus a picture of your water heater. The contest, it's more or less, we're looking for the oldest water heater. Who has the oldest working water heater? And if you have the oldest working water heater, we will replace it free. Yes, I did say free. Water heater and the labor and material installed free, and we'll bring everything up to code. If things need to go up to code, we'll make sure everything is up to code. But visit our website soon. It's coming, and just register.